It clicked.
Did it? Hello and welcome.
Pardon?
Eh?
Pardon?
Oh God, rear again. Welcome back to Madworks Garage for another episode on the MB. We have been doing some work off camera. You pick that up. Dad's here, he's over there dropping stuff. We have been doing some work off camera, trying to push ahead all the time, but it's time for a bit of an update for you guys. So I'll bring you over and show you what we've been up to. Okay, so work carried out so far. We've got all this stuff back from the blaster, so everything's brand new that you can see on the table here. So that's all ready to go back on. I've also pressed the bearings out of the hubs and pressed in the new ones, so they're ready to go on as well. All four of them. The others are on the ramp there. We've got, oh God, where are we? It's all the nuts and bolts all cleaned up in there. We got all the new shims and bolts and everything else in here. You'll see. So it's all ready to go as well. Now over there we've got the wheels and the tyres all made up. Isn't that beautiful? I'll tell you what, we don't hang about, do we? All the new brake pipes are on in position. The only thing we're waiting on is a new coupling. This thing, because one of the threads is completely gone out of it, so ordered a new one of those today. New master cylinders already on there, ready to go. Pipes connected up at the front. We are short a few of these clips, so we've ordered a few of those. They've got to come as well. The chassis has also been tidied up, as you haven't noticed. All nice fresh paint. The axles haven't been painted, all the leaf springs, because Dad doesn't want them painted. He wants to spray them up with old oil for now. He doesn't want the hassle of taking them all off and cleaning them and then having them painted. So that's what's happening to them. The front bumper's all on. It's the one that came on it. I've got the bolts to cut off at the bottom here. I've had to use bolts for that. And these need to be welded up, ground back and then painted up again. Just put some paint on it to tidy it up for now. That's another job we can do when there's less important stuff to do, if you know what I mean. So we've got this brake pipe here is just pushed in. I mean, we've got no clips to hold it there at the moment. So it's just put into position just to make sure we've got everything we need. And this pipe just needs manipulating and bending into the right position. What else have we been up to? Oh yes, we've cleaned down. Huh? Drinking coffee. The steering column has been completely stripped down and repainted, which is a much better job, as has the steering wheel. Has the steering wheel. The rear shock absorbers are going in the bin, and we've got a new set coming for the back and the front, so they'll be done as well. There's none on the front. You see? So yeah, so the plan is now to get the back plates on, get the hubs on and get the wheels on, push all that forward. I would only put the wheels on loosely because obviously got to take them all off again to finish off the brakes and everything like that. But that's where we're going to go. So happy days, let's get on with it. Oh, say hello to Dad, he's there.
Is this a rear? Is this the rear one?
Oh, I don't know. Is it a rear one?
Got some clips here which.
Well, you don't stab yourself.
They stand away from the body.
Yeah, they're nice, aren't they? Yes, they're for the rear.
Yeah, that's why they put the rubber thing.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Right, let's put you on the stand, we can get on. We'll come up in the air a bit. Getting that pipe in there. It's going to be great difficulty. That little brake pipe there. that's the right way round that pipe. Better try it the other way. Be on the safe side. Just double checking. Actually make any difference whatsoever. It's the same. Just screw in there easy in that motion. I think it's further out that way. Just double check this one. You're warm enough now? Oh, never mind. Right? What? God, that's stupid thing. Right, let's try that one. Let's see if I've got the wrong hand. I don't think they're handed. Oh, it's even worse. How can it be worse? I suppose you have to bend these pipes a little bit then, do you? All new to me. Watch me snap it off. Hey? And what do I do with the spanner? Don't swear.
Oh, yeah.
Hey? Hey?
Oh, it's not enough to make you in it.
I don't know, is it? When everyone gets electric cars, will it be quieter here?
I'll probably get electric shock.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, well in the floods around here, wouldn't they? I don't know what happened. Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but that ain't right. I'll go the other way.
You say you don't know what you're doing? I don't either. Struggling, that's what I'm doing.
Don't look right. What's going on?
Oh, I've got one in. Oh, excitement.
I don't think these pipes are bent right.
Well, they're probably not. Got a nice view of my back at the moment. Let me move the camera. This is how not to put new brakes. Oh, I'm hopeless with this camera. Oh, sorry, guys. Hey? Was that you?
I'll go this side, see if that helps.
Well, you wouldn't think it'd be so hard to get in there.
Oh, stupid thing.
Oh, don't start swearing now. Right, let me get my didgeridoo. Oh, we heard about you and your didgeridoo. Hey?
Yeah.
Hey? Hey? Oh, no. Right. Take that off there a minute. Hey? What is going on here?
What I'm doing here, boy, it ain't working.
I've got the same feeling. Nothing's working.
I'll have to take the bits in, I think.
Well, I don't understand why my bolts aren't going in the holes. Well, I thought it'd be such an easy little job.
Well, yeah, I thought this would be easy to kind of get the clip on. Well, get it on a bit. Stop waggling.
I can't help it, I've got to manipulate it into position. Wow, it's ridiculous. Ooh, excitement, got one in. Right, now we're getting there. Have to go in perfectly straight, and then they go in. We've got two lined up, the rest seem to follow. Where's my tool? He said, if you don't know where that is by now, just help things along a bit. Hey, spanner fell on the floor. I got it, don't panic, it's alright, I got it. Right, okay, so I'm going to now tighten up them properly. I don't know how you're supposed to get that in there. Normally I suppose you take the clip out and that release that, give you a bit of space, but it'll be blooming awkward. Just getting to your nipple is going to be hard enough. Isn't it? Moriarty.
I thought there's a bit in this little job.
Oh, I don't know what you're messing about at, to be honest. And now you're going to see me struggle. I've got to try and get the spring on. End up pulling it off the ramp. Oh dear. Right, that's the spring on. It actually went, it's alright, it'll be alright. It actually went on first go. I turned the camera off because I really thought I was going to do a lot of swearing. And it went on first go. Couldn't believe it. I still don't believe it. Right, so I've got to get these tightened up correctly as well. These bottom bolts. What is it you're after? Let's have a look. Mind your head.
Well, that's got to go. So if it comes out here,
Yeah.
I've got to push over it.
Eh? Come out and have a look then. You do that. What you done? What are you doing? What's the problem? This bolt.
It will go in.
Of course it'll go in. I blame you.
I had it in, I couldn't get it in. It's come bringing this right over here, look.
It's supposed to be right over here. Hang on. I know what you've done.
I've turned it round twice.
Have you? Wow. Can't say it ain't good fun, can you? Then what's up with it then? Hey, I'm screwing in. Screw it in there.
Yeah, but that's got.
What? It's supposed to hold it there.
That's too long, isn't it?
No.
Well, look, it's going like that.
It's supposed to be like that. Oh, I'll tell him, Mum. At least I would if poor old girl was around.
Oh, she would.
Yeah.
It don't seem right. Looks like he wants.
Well, that's what it was. Look, we can always bend that racket a little bit, can't we?
Yeah.
Just get it tightened up. It's on there now. What's this one doing sticking out the bottom?
Well, I've got another one somewhere else.
Yeah, but there's one here.
Yeah, I just
Don't
haven't done that clip.
But it don't have two on the back, does it?
Oh, I can't see
Well,
where.
you took them off the pipes. You should know where they go.
I can't. Hey?
I blame you. Jolly good.
Oh, dear.
Right, anyway. The banter is live as normal.
That's right.
What?
That.
Right, yeah, well, yeah. Looks right.
Pull it down a bit, I suppose, when I tighten it.
Oh.
What size is that?
Oh, I don't know. Can you just stick to your own job? Leave me alone.
They're fucking asking you then, isn't it?
Stop swearing.
Right, and you've got the camera on.
Yeah, of course I've got the camera on.
Thank God for that.
Oh, bless him.
Oh,
You can't get angry with them, can you?
you can't get the start these days.
Oh dear. He needs to go in a home, really. Don't you, Father? But they won't let him mess about with Jeeps in a home.
I'm not well.
Hey?
I think my working days have had it.
Not at all. It's all down to attitude and all that. I always said you had a bad attitude. Which way round does that go then? He can't hear me either. Hey? Why don't that bolt fit in that hole? It does, doesn't it? It's that way. It goes like that. So it's got to go like that. You got wind, Father?
Ready?
Oh.
What size are these, John? Are they any special?
Eh?
These bolts, have they got any special sizes?
Of course they have, everything's got a special size.
What do you think?
Oh, there goes my thing on the floor now. Oh, I'm struggling here. I ain't doing that again. Oh, I dropped my hammer now. Is that hammer with an A?
I can't even get the right size. How many you got on this table?
Oh, I don't know. A few. Why is it going in?
La, la, la.
Got it, I got it. Hey! Oh, now that one's come out. Right, I give up.
That's what the old question said to the gold man.
Really?
I got it in.
I tell you, don't even got room to play at the back here. We have to turn the steering wheel round. That's what I see. That's better.
I mean, I got size to fit then.
Oh, I can't believe it. This will never be ready for Normandy at this rate. How many months have we got? 6.5? No. 5 months.
Yeah, I won't even get the brakes on by then.
And I've got to do the gearbox on the other one. Oh my god.
Oh, this will be alright later on.
Oh, that's nothing. Cop this one, right? So on Sunday, just gone, yeah? We go to church with Annie. Oh, right, okay, bit of background. My eldest daughter is getting married next year in August, right? And
What, we counting in the cheeks?
no, I wish. No, what happened was, you know, she was going to use Mum's standard.
Yeah.
Well, that's all changed.
Oh, God, here we go.
She wants to use the 12.
You want to use what?
The 12. Yeah?
You want to use the 12?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She wants to use the 12 as the wedding car. Yeah?
Yeah. Who's going to start it?
Well, that'll have to be me, won't it? Because you can't do it. Dad can't start it. 12 for the wedding car. Did I say that already?
12 for the wedding car.
Yeah. Archibald, the green camper van for the bridesmaids.
The camper van?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Archie. Nancy, the camper van for the rest of the bridesmaids and the page boys, ushers.
Yeah.
And the Rolls Royce for, we don't own a Rolls Royce.
Oh, you've got in your Rolls Royce.
No, I ain't got any bloody Rolls Royce. Got a bit of decorum. I'm driving, no offence, someone's got a Rolls Royce and you like it. I'm driving the 12, ain't I?
Oh, the 12.
Yeah. The 12 is a Morris 12 ex-staff car. Really nice it is. Ain't that?
What old drive? The 8.
That one's come out now. I tell you what, this is a pain in the arse, this. No. You're driving me mad. You're in the 12 in the back of the car with Annie.
What, I've got to walk down the hill with her?
And me. She wants to...
No, you're supposed to be already down there.
No, I'm not getting married.
Oh, no.
Oh my God, it's all going to go tits up on the day. I see it happening. They're going to marry my own daughter. That's a bit weird, isn't it? I'm already married anyway. I've got the love of my life. And my darling, if you're watching. So, thank God for that. I'll tell you, I'm in pain here.
Well, I've got mine done up.
I got mine done up. Well, I'm having a bit of bother with my bolts.
But I ought to have a bit of, This, it won't move, will it?
No, it won't. Anyway,
Yeah.
so
where we get to? 12 or 13?
So I'm driving the 12.
You're driving the 12.
Yeah, you're in the back with Annie.
I'm in the back with Annie.
Yeah. And I'm in the front.
Of the 12.
Of
the 12.
Oh, please don't mess about. It's hard enough.
I'm in the back with Annie in the 12.
In the 12 and I'm driving it.
You're driving it.
Yeah, yeah. I'm driving it. Now, in the bridesmaids are going in Archie, the green one, and Nancy. The other camper, the two campers.
Yeah.
And the Rolls Royce is going from Anne's with Pete in it. And that.
Yeah.
Well, from Pete's with... Yeah, from there. So, what I'm getting at is, Annie's asked me if I'd repaint Nancy before the wedding.
Cool. What's it, mate?
That's what I'm getting at.
I look how long it's taken to do it.
So, the only way I can figure doing it... Now, I'll give these lads a bit of background because they're hearing all this. I don't know what I'm on about, right? Now, Nancy is a 1965 DeVille camper van, which we've had for, I don't know, 6 years or so. We bought from a show, and the reason it's called Nancy is because I didn't have the money to buy it at the time, but Mum did, and her name was Nancy. She's passed away now, as you know, if you watch regularly. But the trouble is, she's great mechanically and reliable and everything else, but the poor old body's looking a tiny bit ropey. So now my daughter said, oh, I want to use Nancy for bridesmaids, can you repaint it for me? Now, the only way I'm ever going to do that before next August with everything I've got to do already is to literally just paint it. Not strip it down, not restore it as such, but just to make it good and paint it. So that would be an interesting one because I've never done that before. I've never sort of just painted a van. I've always stripped it right down to the bone, started again, rebuilt it, and then obviously like the other one that you've been watching next to me here, from the ground up. So I wouldn't say it's a bodge, but let's just say it's got to just look pretty for the day. Innit?
Yeah.
So I suggest that he does it and I watch.
I would suggest using another vehicle.
That would be the easiest way, but that's not going to happen. Anyway, back to the old drawing board. These have to be perfectly lined up to go through the thing and through the thing, and it's not. So I need to get it perfectly lined up for it to do that, and it's not done that. So fiddly-dee. I don't know why, because it should be easy enough to do.
See, if I put that bolt where it's supposed to be in that hole, does that look funny?
And then it goes in straight away. Pardon?
Does that look funny?
See, that's it. No, that's how it's supposed to go. Well, why would you do that at the back then?
Well, the back was different.
This
is the front.
Yeah, I've got something that rhymes with that. Huh? I know something that rhymes with that, but I can't call you it when we're on the video.
I was playing blokes who made these.
Did you say front?
Yeah.
I thought you did. Oh dear. We do have a laugh, don't we, Father? Right. Okay, I've got it worried now.
I think I got this word. I'll never do it this year.
Yes.
I thought you should have a 5-minute job.
Well, it should be. I blame you.
You put 2 clips on it, okay?
Yeah, you've been at it long enough. I mean, you built a whole corner.
Yeah, but you've got your all laid out for you.
Of course I have. I did it the other day.
This is a bit awkward.
I'm well organised, not like you.
I can't find the hole.
Well, let's not go there. Right then. Now I got it.
Nice easy job.
It is, isn't it? Isn't it lovely?
Supposed to be.
Yeah, it's not like we have to bend down or anything, is it? Stop complaining. You do it on your back like some of the poor lads do. Like I used to. Before my mum made me buy a ramp. She come in here one day and she goes, John, what are you doing? Lay laying on that cold floor.
I'm struggling, he said.
Did she? Yeah. What are you doing laying on that cold floor? That's exactly what she said. I said, well, how am I supposed to do it then if I don't lay on the floor? I said, I'll get underneath it. It was up on Axel Stones. Buy yourself one of them things, she said. I sound like the life of Brian. Buy yourself one of those things, she said. Them things that lift them up in the air. You won't have that worry anymore, will you, Brian? I said, no, you're right there. I said, but, you know. Anyway, I bought one. Kept her quiet at the time, but I wish you'd make some noise now. Right, anyway. So, that's done. That's done. You see how it's done? It's done. Like that. So, next thing is put the hub on. Oh, I never know whether the video's on or off, or on or off, or off or on. What I'm doing here. Okay, so what we've done is, I don't know what we've done, but it's in there, the bearing's in the back there, and the oil seal's in the back of the bearing, and that's on there, and that's on the shaft, and yeah.
See how many bits you got over?
I ain't got any bits over at the moment. We've got another bearing to go in the front there, but I need to get grease in there, so I need to pull that off again.
This is absolutely perfect.
Oh, I am glad. So pull that off again.
There's another loose one there, isn't there?
Yeah, so
we ain't got any more, have we? I'll tell you what, John, you and I've got to do a bit of bending there.
That's all right, mate. I can do it because I am a bender. That came out wrong, didn't it?
Yeah. I'm not working around the back on it.
Steady on. It's not politically correct to say that. Oh, I've got it. How's that got stuck there?
Well, pull it up because it's on a dangle, isn't it?
I don't know, I can't pull it, I might break it.
Don't pull it off the flipping ramp.
That's a little oil seal that goes in the back. Now, you're supposed to put that on with the hub, you know, so you know it's on there.
Yeah.
But what I need to do is just take this off. Oh my God!
Oh, not want another one in big.
I'm going to put it back on a bit. That's it. Now I might better get it off, mightn't I? I did grease it.
It sticks.
Be careful, you're going to pull the bearing apart.
It's on there.
Why is it sticking?
Ever since it's got burned.
Oh, I never burned it. It went on there all right. Oh my gosh.
What? I don't.
Well, I need to pack it full of grease, don't I?
Well, can't you pack it in grease and push it on?
Well, I'll make sure that that's in the hub and all. That needs to be inside that before
That
it
is
pushes
the right
on
way
there.
around, isn't it?
Yes. Oh my God. Yes.
Well,
you weren't born yesterday.
And once you got push that on there, and then
Oh,
grease this and push that on there.
Oh, all right, where's your grease? Is this the one?
That is the one.
That's the one you bought. Yeah. Right.
Let's see if I can find another clip.
You're sort of getting on my nerves a bit now.
Yeah, my head.
Go and buy the coffee.
Getting on my nerves.
You said, what? More coffee?
See, that's a little clip, but I don't think that'd be any good.
Well, what was that off?
Off of here.
Oh, was it? Well, what did you take it off?
Oh, God.
Oh, Dad. Good Lord. Look, what's the point of me teaching you everything?
I'll never use it again.
What do you mean you'll never use it again? You got a 43 to do after this.
Oh, God. I think I better
And what about that new Dodge you're going to buy?
Oh, wow. That'd be a dodgy old business.
Very good. Oh, fancy a Dodge. We ain't got a Dodge. Right. So, How am I going to know if... Who's going to know? They're going to know. How are they going to know? Because they're going to know, aren't they?
See, that's got, see that movable thing?
That ain't going to work like that, Father.
Huh?
No.
Tap it with the hammer.
Oh, it's getting on my nerves.
Here's the bolt, so that's got to come over here.
Over there?
But I haven't got another one at him.
I'll tell you what that grease has done. Made everything really slippery.
That's the idea of it.
I've got to get that off.
What do you got it off for?
Because I need to get that on there.
On where?
On there. It needs to go in there.
Oh, when it go push
If I had
it.
a spare one, I'll push it up, put another one in.
Push on there, no.
Hmm?
It won't push on there.
Well, you won't know. That's the thing. And you're going to have grease all on your brakes. When the wheels go
Surely
around.
that won't move.
Yeah, well, look. Look. It needs to go in there. I don't know why this won't come off. I've got grease all over it now.
Yeah.
That's a clean bit. Right. I'm going home. Oh, God almighty.
When you got a puller?
I shouldn't need a puller to pull that off. I have got a puller to pull the bearing apart.
Well,
Oh my God.
Stupid.
Well, how's it got stuck? Won't go on or off now.
Give it a little tap.
I can't tap a bearing, it'll break it.
Tap it, not bang it. You must have a high spot there.
Say we have.
Huh?
Say we have.
Yeah.
Right? Go on, say it.
We have a high spot.
What difference is it going to make if you say we have got a high spot? Still ain't going to come off, is it? I don't want to break it. I can't get in here and whack it anyway.
Come on. I thought you said we was going to go whee and all the four wheels was on.
It should be like that. How are we going to go?
Put a screwdriver on it.
No. Come in. Come in.
Moving.
Come in. I've got it. Flowers for that.
You want? You got the oil seal.
It's on there.
But you said he was going to put it in there.
I am. Jesus. Right. You shut up. You're getting on my nerves.
On that. Huh?
Right.
You got the oil seal in there now?
No.
What?
Getting the grease in first.
Oh. Oh, what are you messing about at?
I don't either. You're getting on my nerves. I'm going on again. Right. Now, oil seal's in.
Oil seal's in?
Bearings in.
2 bearings are in.
No, 1 bearing. Grease is in.
Grease is in.
I'll try and get some grease this side of the bearing. Oh, isn't it lovely, slimy? It reminds me of when I had a really bad cold.
Hey.
Yeah. What?
What's this? But that bit holds it on, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Don't forget that.
I won't. I won't forget it, I promise. Anyway, it'll be alright on the night.
Yeah.
Right, on it goes.
Go on then. Go for it. What hammer?
No, it's on.
Hammer.
It's on. I've got grease all over myself. That's right, it's gone.
Yeah, you'll be nice and slippery.
Oh, do you know what I ain't checked?
What?
Which way the nuts go on.
What nuts?
The wheel nuts. I've probably got the wrong side, haven't I? Please don't go on this way.
What, don't they?
Well, the opposite on this
So
side.
left and so right.
Yeah, opposite on this side, didn't they?
Why did they do them like that?
So they don't unwind themselves.
God, ridiculous.
Why is it ridiculous?
You don't have time to unwind this up when you're fighting.
You're fighting.
Is that part of our break there?
That's the other side, yeah, don't lose that. Don't start interfering
Alright.
with my tidy, organised
Chaos.
mess that I got.
Right. Might get one wheel on tonight.
Might do. Once we've done one...
Bloody 2:45. What time you got?
It's not 3:45.
It is.
Oh, I've got to pick her up in a minute.
Yeah, that's what I said. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
I think we'll have to abandon this until tomorrow. We never had a good start today, did we?
Why didn't we?
Sleeping.
I'll do what I want. A gentleman was here.
We got to put this table under there because we've got to bring the old girl in.
Talk about the wife like that. Okay, so we got a little. I can't remember how this all goes now.
Oh.
Well, how am I supposed to remember everything?
Well, you took it a bit.
Oh, there's a slot in there. There it is. So that goes around there in the slot. That way. Oh, you're disgusting.
Oh, must have been that cheese sandwich.
I don't care. Not everyone wants to hear it. Dirty old son. Right. Now look what you've done.
When you come back.
I'll do what I want.
How far you got?
Well, I'm in the right position. I just need to get that knocked on slightly.
He's in the right position.
There you are. Like that. Right.
Well, you want this.
How about this? You can go and get Millie for me.
I ain't going down there.
Why not?
Oh, women down there.
You like women? I used to go women every Thursday night.
That looks good, doesn't it? That took a 24 hours to it, but...
Special spanner. There he is, stood there.
Yeah.
And yeah, what are you?
No. Well, what's it going up and down for?
That's not the same bit.
Oh,
That's the bit.
this goes on it, yeah.
Right, that's it. I'm giving you the workshop manual. And this evening, I want you to read up on it. So you can see exactly how these go on. I'm going to tighten it up and then I'll
Don't have to tighten it
No,
up.
and then if you let me finish what I'm saying. It's very smooth.
Does it turn?
No. That's the brakes need adjusting. That'll be. Well, it has to be, doesn't it?
I hope so.
Yeah, I mean, you can't have it loose. So I reckon about there. Yeah, because you're stronger than me. Anyhow.
I wasn't trying to turn it, I was just holding it.
Brakes need adjustment. Hear him? Hear it?
Yeah.
Hear it?
Have you got a brake adjuster?
Yeah, it's two of them. Anyway, if you drive it like that, that'll soon wear off.
Hey, it might catch a light, but it'll be alright.
Well, that's all right, as long as it's on there. Right, now, where's the job? There it is. So this is a nut, right? This goes on there.
Washer.
Yeah, and then the other nut goes on to lock it. This goes on there now. And that locks it. Now this, I'm going to double check with my multiple workshop manuals. Just to make sure I have done it all right, but I'm pretty sure, joking apart now, it's always messing around, we never think straight. I blame you for that.
What was about lot?
That's that bit, it's the drive.
Yeah, no.
It's nothing to do with that. It's on the bearings, isn't it?
Yeah.
Honestly, you ain't got any rum either.
Huh?
You stop your wind. Keep doing that on the TV. God.
You got it lined up. You can't get it off it. Where's your rubber hammer?
Here.
Oh.
Right. Where's the bolts? That ain't them.
What is it?
Nothing to do with these.
Let's do.
No.
Well, what are they off of?
Off the back.
What's the difference?
These are off the front.
They're the different sizes. Yeah, it can't be.
They can't be.
They're all the same, aren't they? No, there's some with full threads, Fred.
Some with F's on and some with no threads. F's. No, it's them ones.
It's got to be them. There's a lot of work in that, isn't there?
There is a lot of work. Has to do a lot of work, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, but on my car ain't like that.
You don't want to fall off when you get chased by Jerry. Who's Jerry? Margot's husband.
Jerry! Well, I should leave that.
I ain't leaving it.
Well, you've got a good pick litten.
Oh my God. Oh, there goes the camera. Sorry about that. I'll tell you what, my camera works rubbish. Right, we'll bolt these up. Like that. Right, we bolt them up like that. Right, bolt them up like that. Right, where's the nut and washer? It goes on there.
There's one nut.
That's one nut, and there's a washer.
Where's all the others in?
What?
Other nuts?
There's only one.
No, there's two.
Well, the other one's in
To
there.
the other side.
Yeah. What size is that?
Take it in there and
I am.
Otherwise,
I do learn.
where's your outgoing button?
Oh, it's adjustable here.
You're adjustable.
Well, it's a very heavy duty adjustable. And this fits any size, as long as it's smaller than the spanner. Did you catch it? Oh, good Lord. Oh,
Don't mess with it. Stop messing with
it's
it.
all right, I'm down, I'm done.
10-2.
Oh, shut up, moaning at me.
I should leave that till tomorrow.
That's a really stupid time to finish school.
And your brain be into the situation.
Will it? I've got to see a wheel on it.
That never had a little rubber on there like that one.
Isn't it?
On the brake point.
Isn't it?
I'll have to have a look at that tomorrow. See if I can find a little rubber.
What little rubber?
Well, see these little, they got slidable rubbers on
I'm going the wrong way again. That's doing it up, John. What's got a slidable rubber?
them. Look, these pipes got little rubbers.
Oh yeah, they got rubbers, yeah.
That wants one on there. I put one on that side. I have to look into that.
Look into it. Oh, I can't be bothered with all that
We've got to
space.
bring your motor back in.
Oh my God.
Do you want to do that tonight?
What? What do I want to do tonight?
Well, we can shove this underneath the lorry.
Please. You give me heartburn. That's the wrong way. Now it's stuck up the hole. Oh, now the end. Oh my gosh. Right, let's grab one of the wheels. I've got to put a wheel on it. Excuse me.
For God's sake.
Well, I'm going to try a wheel.
You'll tip it upside down.
I won't. Oh, we're on
You want me to let it down so you're level with it?
No, God.
Well, they're heavy.
I know. I'm strong. Not like you weak.
Oh, I could smell something.
I've got the dented wheel. Ah, look at that.
Oh, it looks half a Jeep now. Just put a nut on there to hold it falling off.
Yes, Dad. I'm glad you're here.
That's got a big dent in that wheel, hasn't it?
That's what I said, it's got a big dent in the wheel. Didn't notice that.
That was all right when we took it down that clean.
Yeah, I was just saying. I blame him. He probably got that as a ball wound.
Yeah, and a bit of shrapnel stuck in it.
Bit of shrapnel.
Well, if you put a decent wheel on the front, you wouldn't notice on back.
That'd be right.
You got a spare, that could go on the spare.
Yeah, well, we can change it around. Let's just put it on here.
Let's have a look.
Just for a minute. Oh, my nut's stuck.
I know the feeling, dear.
Right. Why won't that go on there? It must be a left-handed, right-handed thread. I've got it.
Oh, fucking hate it.
Stop swearing.
You ain't got the thing on.
Stop swearing. I have got the thing on. It's on.
Well, it's back to the front, there's the phone went over there.
It's not, it's facing me. You'll never make a cameraman.
Oh, I can see your back.
Yeah, well, I've got it stuck, that's got it.
That definitely ain't going on the car. For the state of it.
There you are. Yeah, but at least it gives us an idea.
That turns better now.
Gives us an idea of what he's going to look like, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know, like these blue...
Why are they blue?
Because they ain't black.
Oh.
So I got some proper ones with a U-jar in there.
Get a jacker up, Roy.
Jack her up.
Get the table under.
Oh, go on then.
How much you want up?
Well, it's got to go up enough to get the table under. Up a bit, up a bit, up a bit.
That bloody noise.